In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at Excel's if formula. The Excel formula is pretty straightforward. We have our if. First parameter is a condition. So a condition might be something along the lines of, do we want to know, is a cell greater or less than? Does it contain something? So anywhere we can put a condition in, that's what we're going to put in for our first parameter. Our second parameter is value if true. So if that condition is met, what value shall we return? If that condition is not met, meaning it would be false, so what value to return if the value is false? So let's go ahead and take a look at an example. So if we want to determine if a budget for a month is over budget or under budget, those are the words that we want to display. So if we have a cell that has the month variance in it, so A2 contains a value. So if A2 is greater than 0, display the words over budget. If it's not greater than 0, then display the words under budget. So let's take a practical example. So if the value inside of A2 is equal to 100, so is A2 greater than 100 or greater than 0? 100 is greater than 0, so that will return the word over budget. If the value is negative 100, so if we apply the if statement, if A2 is greater than 100, it's not, it's a negative number. So in this example, we're going to return under budget. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this in Excel. So in column A, we have our fiscal months of the year. In column B, we have our budget amount. In column C, we have our actual amount for each month. So we're going to put an if formula to show the status. So for the first month, our actual is 668. Our budget amount is 767. So for the first month, we're under budget. In November, our actual was 835, but our budget amount was 817. So we were over budget in this example. So we're going to use that as part of our condition. So we're going to do equal if, open parentheses, press our F of X to go to the little wizard. And for our logical test is going to be, is our actual amount greater than our budget amount? And when that is true, we're going to say the word over budget. And when that is false, we are going to say under budget. Whenever we press OK, we're going to get the words over budget or under budget for each of the fiscal months. So as predicted, we're under budget for the first month, over budget for the second month. Here again, 653 is less than 669, so that is our value if false. And that populates all the ways down.